Austrian artist Waltraud Goffitzer-Thalhammer is widely recognized in the art world for her versatile works, ranging from ceramics and textile art to painting. In her paintings, she masterfully weaves together dream and reality, emotion and symbolism, offering the viewer a profound insight into the emotional and spiritual realms. Her works are characterized by a striking balance of color, form, and deep symbolism, inviting the audience to immerse themselves on both an emotional and intellectual level. A significant source of inspiration for her art is her journals, which are closely linked to her creative process. In these journals, she documents her thoughts, emotions, and experiences, which often form the starting point for her artistic projects.
I know you. We've already walked through fire together. We still have the water ahead of us. You know it, water is stronger than fire. It gently and tenderly washes around the legs. You can play with it.
Plays a central role in her works. Colors are essential for expressing moods. Muted earth tones evoke calmness, while bold colors convey intense emotions like joy and restlessness. Goffitzer-Thalhammer experiments with various techniques and materials, using acrylic paints to build layers that create depth and atmospheric effects through transparency and texture. This multi-layering adds a dynamic quality to her paintings as the color layers shine through, creating a vibrant impression.
I apply the paint quite thickly. I have an idea of the contour and then use a sponge to partially remove and spread the paint. I wipe over it again and let it dry. Through this wiping technique, I achieve more layers. That means it creates more transparency. You can see this in this painting, for example.
She carefully balances the elements, ensuring that the details harmonize. Bold color contrasts and effects like the use of gold emphasize symbolic meanings.
Gold for me represents the cosmic.
These accents enhance the emotional impact, setting specific motifs within a metaphorical context.
Applying gold was always the final step of the painting. Always. And as I said, gold has something cosmic for me. I don't want traditional symbols, but something that comes from within me, yet also looks good formally.
Waltraud Goffitzer-Thalhammer's mixed media artworks captivate with their masterful selection of colors and materials, which, combined with surreal compositions and powerful symbolism, create mesmerizing visual worlds. Her works, in which painting, photography, and cutouts merge, leave a lasting impression and offer the viewer endless possibilities for interpretation. Through her painting, she remains an important voice in contemporary art, with works that are both aesthetically appealing and deeply thought-provoking. Goffitzer-Thalhammer's paintings speak not only to the eyes, but also to the heart and mind, art that invites the viewer to see the world with new eyes.